recipe is mutton curry. Ingredients are as follows: curd, red chili powder, onions, bay leaf, turmeric powder, ginger paste, some amount of onion paste, ginger paste, mutton boiled, and also we'll need the mutton stock later on, so do not throw away the mutton stock. Heat oil in a pan and add the chopped onions in it. Wait till the onions are golden brown in color. This is a very easy recipe of mutton curry, something which can be prepared in half an hour, provided the mutton is already boiled and kept. Adding 1 bay leaf into it. Adding 2 tablespoons of onion paste to this fried onions. This is not fully pasted onions. It is just a little bit pasted so that the flavor of onions remain. Frying this entire mixture. We'll add the other ingredients to this mixture, adding ginger paste, 2 teaspoons, garlic paste, 2 teaspoons. Garlic is one of the main ingredients for any non-veg preparation. Before we continue, I would like to mention that the mutton has been boiled with little bit of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of vinegar and salt. Now adding curd to it. I'll be using a lot of curd, about 100 grams of curd for 1 and 250 grams of mutton, because we are not using any kind of tomatoes for this. We're just making it in curd. Mix the mixture well. Adding the masalas to it, we are going to add turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons, jeera powder, about 1 teaspoon. Please fry it well, otherwise there's a raw smell of the masalas that comes. The masala is almost done. See, the masala has left the oil, so we understand that it's done. Adding the boiled mutton to it. I have not added the red chili powder. I will add it at the end because my daughter doesn't like spicy food, so we add it at the end. You can add it at this point of time as well. See, this is the color. Mix it well, give it a toss and add the stock into it. Now this is an optional. If you do not want much gravy, you might not add the stock. But since the stock has a lot of flavor, we do add the stock. Adding little bit of sugar, a pinch of sugar. You can also add this sugar while heating the oil. It gives a nice color to the entire preparation. Adding salt to it. Now this is as per your taste. How much you want, you might add. And let it cook properly. Keep mixing. Now, as I told you, this has a little bit of salt, ginger garlic paste and a little bit of vinegar, which makes the mutton very salt and supple. Adding garam masala to this entire mixture. You can even add akha garam masala to it. Cover and allow it to cook till the flavor of the masalas gets into the mutton and we get a nice mutton curry made. I add my red chili powder at the end of my preparation. I have already removed some amount of mutton curry for my daughter. This is only for the color and little bit of spice that I added. I am going to mix it well. You can do this, you can take this step when you are adding the haldi powder as well. Just mix it well and cover and let it cook for some time till the powder is almost cooked. So we have covered it and allowing it to cook. This is how it looks now. I'm sure you can understand this is a very easy process and can be easily cooked at home. Serve with a nice bowl of hot pulao or even white rice. Thank you. Enjoy the recipe.